lovely people, how are you? It is time to dye my hair. So your girl got her first PR box. So this is Brad Mondo XMONDO Color. I am so excited to share this with you guys today. I'm going to be dyeing my hair. So this is the inside of the box. She's super cute. And let me show you what all of this comes with. So this box comes with cute little stickers. I'm really excited to put these on everything. I actually really love stickers. And we also got a cute poster. And then on the other side, this is my favorite side. It's like the great hair detector, but you'll notice there's like fun things like elevated levels of protein, high levels of vitamin B5. So they're telling me that there's a lot of good stuff in this product. They sent me the XMONDO Color Super Pink. I have 2 tubs of this so I can dye my hair and my extensions with them. They were so sweet to send this to me. Thank you guys again, XMONDO Color. I am so grateful. And then they also sent me the Super Gloss. So these 2 are obviously pink, and then this one is clear, so it still has all of the proteins and vitamins that they put into the color, but this is just a gloss, so I can use it on top, give it an extra layer. I had a salon in Texas before I moved to Los Angeles. I used to do glosses all the time on my vibrant colors. It kind of provides a barrier between the color and, you know, your like heat styling or water, kind of make it last longer, also give it some extra shine. But I'm pretty sure consistency wise, I could also mix this to make it lighter if I wanted to. So excited, I need to dye my hair like right now. All right, we're rolling the sleeves up. I'm gonna take off my bracelets here and glove up. I'm using my Fromar gloves. I wish I could find where my pink paws are, but the blackout gloves will do just fine. Oh my gosh. I'm opening her up and she's so freaking pink. Oh my God. Okay, oh my God, I'm literally so excited. I have my Fromar color bowl and my Fromar brush, but it's kind of like already a perfect little bowl, so like I kind of don't want to dirty this one up. So I'm just gonna use this. And before I do anything else, I'm going to bib up like a little cutie. I mean, it's like a baby color cape. It's like just super small, but I can get into it a little bit easier. And like normally you don't want to wear hoodies to your color appointments because it kind of makes it more difficult for your stylist with all this stuff back here. But I'm dyeing my hair myself at home and it's nothing too complicated. It's just one solid color. I'm not going to bleach my hair because I already kind of went in and did some highlights. I kind of want to grow it out a little bit and kind of switch to a more ombre style. So I'm sort of doing that gradually. All right, so I haven't washed my hair in a second. She's looking a little crazy. All right, there's some stuff happening here. It's totally time to do my hair. So this is super faded and this pink is not from Brad Mondo. This is a different color line. So I'm excited to see, but you like notice how faded it is. Like you can see my blonde coming through again. And that is just not the vibe. This is not the vibe. Whenever I'm coloring my own hair, I kind of like to do the front to get everything back and off of my face. And then I'll go in and start taking sections. I already can tell I'm gonna love this pink color. It smells really good too. As I'm going through this application so far, I really like the product. I think the consistency is good because it's thick, but it's still really like liquidy enough that it's blendable, but it doesn't feel like messy. It doesn't feel like it's gonna be a mess. We'll see what my bathtub has to say about that later. One quadrant done, I'm gonna finish the rest. I'll be back. have that much hair, so it didn't take me very long, but now we wait. And while we're waiting, I'm going to dye my extensions. So here I'm grabbing a piece of cardboard and a plastic trash bag, and I'm wrapping the trash bag around the piece of cardboard to make like an at-home balayage board. Really, it's just a surface that I can paint hair color on and not have to worry about making a mess. I can just throw this away later. So here I am just laying my Bellamy extensions flat against this bag cardboard combo, and I am coloring this hair. And after I'm done coloring all of these, all I did was just wash them out in the bathtub, and it didn't really stain much at all, which is super awesome. But if you are worried about that, you can always just rinse it out in a bucket or like a stainless steel sink. But yeah, I rinsed mine out in the tub and it was just fine. All right, it's been about an hour. Time to rinse my hair out. I'm gonna rinse out my extensions that I colored. I'm gonna come back on here and share my final thoughts and give you guys the reveal. All right, we are back with it all finished. This is how it turned out. I went ahead and I put my extensions in. I have to say that I really recommend this product. I love it. It feels like I colored my hair with Olaplex. My hair has been through a lot over the course of last year. I'm gonna be honest, I kind of like fried it off, all of it. It was like falling out. So coloring my hair with this and having all of that like vitamins and proteins that are in there, it really actually held my hair. Like, I'm not lying to you. It feels softer than it's felt in a long time. So I'm actually really excited about that. I really like it. The vibrancy is good, the consistency was great, and not a lot of color ran out in the tub. So that's actually also really cool. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. Go get your hands on some XMONDO color. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment down below what color you want to see me dye my hair next, or what other videos you want, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.